zone, our daily time frame trend line, right? So that's this somewhat like purple looking line here if you want to. So okay. Trish, are you hearing?
Hmm?
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
Yeah, the thing don't clear now.
Okay. So that's what I'm saying. That's what I was saying. So now we are anticipating a full breakout, right? Retest, then we can take our trade, a sell. This is going to be our first TP here, right? So if there's an
I like zoom in on
invalidation,
it, Sam.
eh?
Zoom in on it like they far from the
Okay. Yeah, so we'll take our first TP down here, right? Once price invalidates this particular trend line, then we can hold the trade. That's if you have multiple positions opened, you can hold the trade down to our next TP region. Let me show you. Down to this TP region here, right? If you want to, you can hold it down to this one, or this is the daily time frame trend line. So probably depends on how feasible I see the trade. I can hold my trade here, right? Take my profits and wait for it to fully break out. That is, if it's going down, right, come back for a retest on this trend line, then I can add more, I can book more positions and then sell the trade all the way down to this daily time frame trend line. Do you get my point
so
now?
yeah, this last
Yes, this purple line. So this is a swing trade actually. If you want to take it, or you could put it at the 4 hour trend line here. This is the 4 hour trend line here. This one I marked out is a support level. I think I can delete this. This is support level. You don't really need it for the moment because price is working with the trend line. Except if you want to draw a support level, this is actually a more preferable place to draw your support. Yeah, this particular level here. So, but like I said, trend line is much more preferable, especially in this use case scenario, right? So we'll take our trade. Hopefully, this is our first TP. Our second TP is here. Then, if you want to hold more long for a longer time, but here's a much more preferable place. So, in fact, it's here that we want to see an invalidation. So you can hold your trade from here all the way down until you see an invalidation of your chart.
one.
Yeah, so once there's an invalidation in your trend, then and only then would you now take your trade. Maybe you can cancel and then continue buying because price is not going to come back to this daily time frame trend line, but would rebounce off of this 4 hour trend line. So you can take your trade down here. Then once it rebounces, you once it invalidates it, your order, you take your buy to the upside. So that's what we're looking at. So let me just walk you through on the things we've marked out. So we marked out our daily time framed um, regions, right? And we understood that price was going in an uptrend. Why did we say that? We said that because price has not broken this particular trend line. Did price break through this trend line? This one? Did it? Can you hear me?
Okay. Like it yeah. Was this
Yes. Did price break through this
your
trend line?
voice is break very well.
It didn't break, what?
Like I see your voice, no? The network be like your I don't know maybe now because it's the record. In the break.
Yeah, I think it's because I'm recording. I hope the recording part would be okay, Sha. So,
Okay,
like I
okay, this
said,
one is the daily time frame, but
don't worry,
like
I'll drop the
the
recording
trend.
for you guys. So, anyways, this one has not been validated. This particular trend line here has not been invalidated. So, we are currently banking on this trend line for price to come back here, and then let's see a reaction. Let's see the reaction price will cost on this trend line first. Now, this one was coming on a downtrend or towards a downtrend. Then there was an invalidation. Price broke out of the trend, right? Came back. This is an imperfect retest because it didn't retest on the trend line, and then it started retest. It's retested on this particular place here, this particular trend line. So that's a clear confirmation that price is going to the upside, right? The price is going in an uptrend. Now, because this one here is an imperfect retest, and then it still did not retest on this daily time framed what do you call it, trend line. We want to see an invalidation so that we can take our sell to this point before probably booking a buy to the upside. Do you get me?
Okay.
Yeah, so want to see
Yeah.
want to see an invalidation. So we want to counter trend, right? So once we counter trend to any of these regions, then we can book our massive trade to the buy side, or if it's going to invalidate them and keep going back down, then we can book for our sell opportunities. But like I said, this is an imperfect retest. Even to the daily time frame, there has been no retest at all. Okay, so want to see all the time frames in sync. Want to see all the time frames in one particular direction, giving us one particular move. You get, so that's what we're looking out for now. Hopefully, the trade goes as planned, or it goes well. Then we can take our sell to this side, because even using let's try using our fib. I didn't even do this. Can you imagine? Let's see what our Fibonacci would give us, because I think the market is okay. Let's see if the trade would be at our golden point. Okay, this is the last high, sorry. Okay, this, what am I even doing? This is an equal high now. It's supposed to be from here. It's supposed to be from here. So Fibonacci reacted to the 0.786 region, not our golden ratio, which was supposed to be from here, 0.618. But it did react from 0.7. I think that's even owing to the fact that it's a resistance level up there. That's this particular box that we marked out. The price is currently reacting to. Okay, so ideally is best to use the 5 minutes time frame. You see the price still broke out, so our trend line was not able to hold the price. Currently going back up. This was a 1 minute trend line, so of course you expect noise from it, but it's best to use like M15 or M5 to filter out noise. You get, because from our M15 price is still inside the range. It's still inside the range from our M15.
Okay.
But then if you check your M1, you see that price broke out of the range. So it's best to use higher time frame to get like clearer confirmation. 5 minutes too is okay. 5 minutes too is okay as well. So from 5 minutes you can see that it still broke out of the range. Right, but we still need to get clearer confirmation. Like I said, this is the major position here. So we want price to come and break through these zones down here. Come back up here for a retest. That's on the 5 minute and 15 minute trend line. Then this will give us a clearer confirmation for a sell. Because our M1, our M5, M15, they are all giving us sell indications. So we'll take our sell from here.
Price don't break. Price don't break our 1 minute trend line.
Yes, it has broken. Probably going back for a retest on this level or this zone again. You get, so if we had entered from here now, maybe I think at this point would have almost hit, would have still not hit our break even, but would have been close shy. If anybody entered late, would have hit their break even. So this is what we're anticipating from